As we can see, there are many different ways that we can use to export this. We can also export this directly to tape. I don't have a deck connected to this, but I could just go export to tape. And if I had a video deck connected to this, I could just export it to that. But one of the most common ways of exporting this is going to be to DVD. If you're going to choose to go to DVD, your best bet is to go Adobe Dynamic Link, Send to Anchor. And we're not going to go very much in depth in Anchor because there's another series in Anchor, but all you need to do is click on Send to Anchor. That opens Adobe Anchor, and from Anchor just go ahead and burn your DVD directly. Anchor opens and is going to ask us where to save the project. I usually save it in the same place where I saved the Premiere project. So I'll click on Browse and navigate to where I have that project saved. I'll choose that folder and I'm just going to call this Test Project. I'm going to resize this panel. There you go. And I'm going to go to the project panel in here. I only have two things: the timeline for the DVD and, of course, the dynamically linked sequence from Premiere Pro. All I have to do is give the disk a name. I'll call it Rancho Playa. And now I'm going to go to the Build tab. I'll save it. And I'm going to check the project. This is going to give me two mistakes. Click there. Now click Start. And it's going to give you two mistakes. Number one, the title remote is not set. That doesn't matter. And the second one is that the end action of the timeline is not set. Basically, this is just saying that when the timeline is finishing playing, what do you want for it to happen? And I'm going to select it by clicking on it. And now I'm going to go to the Properties panel, which is right here. And where it says End Action, I'm going to click here and choose Stop. Now I'm going to run this again by clicking on Start, and it's going to give me just one error, which is the title remote not set. Again, this doesn't matter. Click on Start, and there you go. We can close this, and on the build, let's change the format to be DVD, and let's change the output to be DVD disk, and all we have to do is click on Build. Anchor is going to ask us to place a DVD in the DVD burner tray of our computer, and that's it. It's going to do it all by itself. Like I mentioned before, this is a very simplified way of telling you how to build a DVD or how to create a DVD in Anchor. There's another series about how to author a DVD using Anchor. We've covered a lot of topics in this Premiere Pro training series, and there is still a lot more to be learned. Keep on practicing the knowledge acquired in this series and you will become a master in no time. I'd like to thank you for watching this series and would like to remind you to visit www.totaltraining.com for any additional training that you may need. On behalf of Total Training, I'm Louisa Winters. Thanks for watching.